Love is an illusion. It can make you blind. Some deal with possession and obsession. It can blow your mind. You see, love can't see. That's what makes it strong. It touches your inner self right down to the bone. It makes you shake. It makes you quiver. Shit, it will even make you give up your liver. People steal for love. People kill for love. You don't see shit but two white doves. It will make you do things you've never done before. You'll do anything for love. It's them you do adore. When you fall in love, you can't see shit. Not even the fact you're in love with a prick. It'll make you miss paying your bills because of sweet talk. Then when you're broke, Mr. or Mrs. Love takes a walk. I'm telling you, love is an illusion, a good old magic trick. If you don't know what you're doing, don't get caught up in it. Love can make you do a lot of crazy things. So before you fall in love, get those wedding rings. After the ring, turn your love into like. Then there's no illusion, just a husband and wife. Or a wife and a wife. Hey, that's what's going on today.